Understanding Fever Thermometer, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, fever thermometer. Whether you're new to the English language or just curious about this specific term, this video is designed to help you understand its usage and context. Let's dive in. A fever thermometer is a device used to measure body temperature. It's an essential tool, particularly in healthcare, for determining if someone has a fever. The term combines two words, fever, which refers to a higher than normal body temperature often caused by illness, and thermometer, an instrument for measuring temperature. There are several types of fever thermometers, each with unique features. 1. Digital thermometers. These are the most common and easy-to-use thermometers. They display the temperature digitally. 2. Ear, tympanic thermometers. These measure temperature from the ear and are often used for children. 3. Forehead, temporal thermometers. These non-invasive thermometers measure the temperature from the forehead. 4. Mercury thermometers. Traditional thermometers that use mercury. However, they are less common now due to safety concerns. Using a fever thermometer correctly is crucial for an accurate reading. 1. Digital thermometers. Place under the tongue, in the armpit, or rectally. 2. Ear thermometers. Gently insert into the ear canal. 3. Forehead thermometers. Swipe across the forehead. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. It's important to know what the readings mean. A normal body temperature is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. A reading above this range may indicate a fever. The severity of a fever depends on how much higher the temperature is than the normal range. We hope this video has helped you understand what a fever thermometer is, its types, usage, and how to interpret its readings. Remember, having accurate knowledge about such medical tools is crucial for health and safety. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in the next video.